In the name of Allah, hello for everybody all over the world. You're welcome to come back again my channel. Darsa Kilum in English with Mr. Mohamed Taha, an English instructor and translator. We are talking about reading challenge here. Yes, that's right. So today we're going to talk about Unit-3, which tells us about Hurricane Who, as you see. Hurricane Who? Yeah, that's right. Now, look at this picture carefully. Yes, that's right. Look at this picture carefully. So, what can you see? I can hear someone says, I can see typhoon or cyclone or a hurricane. Yes, that's right. Okay, that's right. Now let's begin to answer about it or give some good answers for pre-reading questions. Yeah, that's right. Think about the following questions. Number one, what is a hurricane? What's a hurricane? So, as first, you should know answers will vary here. Yes, that's right. So, as a good suggestion to answer these questions, you can say a hurricane is a storm. A hurricane is a storm with high winds and lots of rain. Yes, that's right. Again, a hurricane. What does it mean, hurricane? What's a hurricane? Yeah, as I got suggestion here to answer that question or question number one. A hurricane is a storm with high winds and lots of rain. Yeah, that's right. The next question. Question number two. Where do hurricanes usually occur? Where do hurricanes usually occur? I think hurricanes usually occur along the coasts of continents. They always start out in the ocean or in the ocean, yeah. In the ocean. Yes, that's right. Again, where do hurricanes usually occur? Yes, that's right. I think hurricanes usually occur along the coasts of continents. They always start out in the ocean. Yeah, that's right. The last question here, the last one. Question number three. How often do hurricanes occur in your country? Again, how often? Yeah, that's right. How often do hurricanes occur in your country? Yeah. We usually get hurricanes in my country in the spring and in the fall. There may be 5 or 6 each season. Yeah, that's right. As a good suggestion to answer this question here, you can say this answer. We usually get hurricanes in my country in the spring season. Yeah, that's right. And in the fall, there may be 5 or 6 each season. Yeah, that's right. Let's begin to study the next part in our lesson today. Vocabulary preview. Yeah. So, write the letter of the word or phrase with the same meaning as the underlined word. Now we have some words and synonyms for them. Let's begin to know or to study. Yeah. Danger. What does it mean, danger? So someone asks you about danger. What does it mean, danger? So danger, yes, that's right. Yes, when you talk about danger, you talk about big trouble. Yes, that's right. Big trouble. Yes, that's right. big trouble. Yes, that's right. Big trouble. So the next one, detect. What does it mean, detect? Yeah, I can hear someone. He says, detect to find. Yes, that's right. To find. Okay, to find. Someone asks you about detect. What does it mean, detect? To find something. Yes, that's right. The next one, information. What does it mean, information? Information. So sorry. Information. Yeah, that's right. Facts. That's right. Okay, facts. When I say information, like exactly when I say facts. Typhoons often occur. What does it mean, occur? In summer. To happen. Occur, to happen. Yes, that's right. The next word, similar. What does it mean, similar? Okay, almost is the same. Yes, that's right. Almost is the same or alike. Alike or almost is the same. Someone asks you about similar. What does it mean, similar? In English, not Arabic words. Almost is the same. Or alike. Yes, that's right. The last one, decide. What does it mean, decide? Yeah, decide to choose. To choose. Yeah, decide to choose. Yeah, okay. To choose something, yeah, or to select, elect, like decide. Okay, okay, yeah, that's right. The next part. The next part. Now let's begin to answer about these questions. Yeah, as first question number one, strong winds can cause danger. Yeah. What does it mean, danger, here? Excellent. Back trouble. Yeah, that's right. So, the letter D is the best answer for number one. The next one. Number two. People try to detect typhoons before they come to land. What does it mean, detect, here? Yeah, find. So, the letter D is the best answer for number two. The next one, number three. I need information about when the storm will begin. So, what does it mean, information? Information, facts, yeah, that's right. So, the letter C is the best answer for number three. Number four, typhoons. Typhoons often occur in summer. Typhoons often occur in summer. So, what does it mean, occur, here? To happen. Yeah, that's right. So, the letter E is the best answer for number four. Yeah, that's right. The next one, number five. Hurricane Fred and Hurricane Gloria had similar wind speeds. So, what does it mean, similar, here? Almost the same or alike. Yeah, that's right. So, the letter A is the best answer for number five. That's right. The next one, or the last one, number six. We should decide what to call this typhoon. Decide. What does it mean, decide? Decide, to choose. Yes, that's right. So the letter F is the best answer for number six. Yeah, that's right. Now we have our passage today, which tells us about Hurricane Who. But before we begin to read this our passage today, we should know some idioms and some definitions about them to help us to understand our passage today. Yes, that's right. Let's begin. Tropical. What does it mean, tropical? So, related to a place that is always warm. Related to a place that is always warm as tropical. Prediction. Smart guess about the future. So, smart guess about the future, it's prediction. Meteorologist. What does it mean? Meteorologist here. Scientist who studies the weather. So, a scientist who studies the weather here is meteorologist. The next one, international. In or from different countries. So, in or from different countries, something. When something is in or from different countries, it's international, yeah, or international. Include. What does it mean, include? To have. To have, include, yeah. Committee. A group that decides things. So, a group that decides things means committee. Yeah. Personal. Of or pertaining to a person. Yes, that's right. The next thing here, idiomatic expressions. So, as you see, keep an eye out for. Keep an eye out for. To watch for trouble or danger. Or to watch for trouble or danger. Yeah. As for example, swimmers need to keep an eye out for sharks. Keep up with. Keep up with. To continue getting useful information. As for example, it's hard to keep up with fashion these days. Yeah, that's right. Makeup. Makeup. To prepare something. I'll make up a new address list for the class. That's right. Now let's begin to read our passage today. Our passage today is Hurricane Who. Let's begin to read. Yeah. Tropical cyclones are called typhoons in Asia and hurricanes in North and South America. These storms go around like a wheel turning to the left when they hit in the northern part of the world. They have wind speeds of 60 kilometers per hour or more. In the United States, the Tropical Prediction Center in Miami, Florida, keeps an eye out for hurricanes. When meteorologists detect, yeah, that's right. When meteorologists detect a hurricane, they give it a name. Again, when meteorologists detect a hurricane, they give it a name. They can use either a male or female name. Why should tropical cyclones have names? Why should tropical cyclones have names? Yeah. The name makes it easier for people to keep up with information about a hurricane and its possible dangers. The next bar. The World Meteorological Organization, as abbreviation WMO, World, yes, right, Meteorological Organization, an international weather group, decides what names will be used. The World Meteorological Organization makes lists of names using the English alphabet. Each name on the list starts with a different letter. The first hurricane of the year gets the first name on that year's list. The second hurricane gets the next name. For example, if the first hurricane is named Abel, the second might be named Betty. Yeah, that's right. The nameless do not include names beginning with the letters Q, U, X, Y, and Z. Yeah. Again, the nameless do not include names beginning with the letters Q, U, X, Y, and Z. There aren't many names that begin with these letters. There aren't many names that begin with these letters. There aren't. Yeah. Asian countries use a different list, which is made up by the World Meteorological Organization's Typhoon Committee. This list has a few personal names, but most of the names are of flowers. Yeah, that's right. But most of the names are of flowers. Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. But most of the names are of flowers, animals, trees, and other similar things. Yeah, that's right. Now let's begin to answer about some questions which are based on reading comprehension today. As first, choose the correct answer or choose the best answer. Number one, what is the main idea of this reading? Why tropical? The letter A. Why tropical cyclones are named? The letter B. What tropical cyclones can do? The letter C. How tropical cyclones are named? The letter D. Who watches for tropical cyclones? As possible answer, as the best answer, but not possible. But not only possible, but the best answer, How tropical cyclones are named? That's right. The letter C. The best answer for number one. Number two. In which direction do tropical? In which direction do tropical? So we can say direction or direction. In which direction do tropical cyclones go around in the northern part of the planet? The letter A, down. The letter B, the same direction as a clock. The letter C, the opposite direction of a clock. The letter D, up. Letter C is the best answer for number two, the possible direction of a clock. That's right. You can read our passage again to emphasize this. Yes, it's right. That number or the letter C is the best answer for number two. The opposite direction of a clock. Number three, the fifth hurricane of 2015 might have the name. The letter A, Diana. The letter B, Darren. The letter C, Eric. The letter D, Connie. As the best answer, also the letter C. That's right. The letter C is the best answer for number three. The next one, number four. Which name would a hurricane not have? Rita, the letter A, Rita. The letter B, Veronica. The letter C, William. The letter D, Yanni. Yeah, the letter D, يعني, is the best answer for number 4. Which name would a hurricane not have? يعني. Yeah, that's right. Because the letter Y. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, okay. So, number 5, the last one here. Why should tropical cyclones have names? The letter A, it sounds interesting. Or because it sounds interesting. Or the letter B, the names help people. Or the letter C, the names are a code for the World Meteorological Organization. Or the letter D, it is traditional. Yeah, the letter B is the best answer for number 5. The names help people. Yeah, that's right. Now you can do, or you can answer this question as homework for you today. Yes, that's right. After we have learned these idiomatic expressions today, I believe that you can answer these questions alone. Yeah. Let's begin to study the next part, summary. Yes, that's right. So, read the sentences from the reading passage. Paraphrase the sentences to create a summary of the passage. Okay. As you see, the first sentences, or the first sentence, yes, right. The World Meteorological Organization makes a list of names using the English alphabet. Letter B, they can use either a male or female name. Yeah. How can we paraphrase the sentences to create a summary of the passage? As first, let's begin with letter A and letter B. Using the letters of the alphabet, the World Meteorological Organization makes a list of names that includes both male and female names. That's right. Excellent. Yeah. So next one. Letter C and letter D. Each name on the list starts with a different letter. Letter D. The name, our second sentence. The nameless. The name less do not include names beginning with the letters Q, U, X, Y, and Z. C and or C plus D, we can paraphrase them as you see. The lists are named of names that starts with different letters, but the lists do not include names beginning, do not include names beginning, yes, right, with the letters Q, U, X, Y, and Z. Yeah, that's right. Do not include names beginning with the letters Q, U, X, Y, and Z. The letter E, number 3. Sentence E and sentence F. The letter E. Asian countries use a different list which is made up by the World Meteorological Organization's Typhoon Committee. Second sentence, this list has a few personal names, but most of the names are of flowers, animals, trees, and other similar things. We can paraphrase them, as you see. Asian countries name, yes, it's right. Asian countries name hurricanes using list of words that includes the flowers, that includes flowers, animals, trees, and other similar things. Yeah, that's right. Now, let's begin to study the last part today in our lesson. The last part today. Choose the best word or phrase to fill in the blank. Number one, as you see. Number one, the teacher decides her students' grades, space their test scores, and homework. Letter A, creating. Letter B, deciding. Letter C, according to. Letter D, naming. The best answer here, letter C. Yeah, that's right. According to. Yeah, that's right. According to their test scores and homework. The next one, number two. He often uses the internet to get his space, information, danger, taste, or taste, or people. Yeah. The letter A is the best answer for number two. Number three. My house is very small. Surprisingly, it does not, or it doesn't, space a bathroom. Letter A, keep up. B, catch on. C, last. D, include. Yeah. The letter D is the best answer for number three. Number four, we named our dog George. Then we found out she was a space dog. Female, possible, easy freezing. Yeah, female. Yes, that's right. As letter D, the letter D is the best answer for number four. Yeah, George. Then we found out she was a female dog. Yeah. So number five, or the next one, number five. Question number five. Space countries like Singapore are hot all the time. The letter A, fantastic. B, male. B, the letter B, male. C, tropical. D, international. Yeah. The letter C is the best answer for number five. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Number six. This street is very busy. You should space for cars when you walk across it. The letter A, keep up with. Letter B, find out. Letter C, watch out. D, check in. Yeah. The letter C, excellent, yeah, is the best answer for number six. Number seven, hurricanes usually space in summer. Letter A, occur. Letter B, go around. C, make. D, detect. Yeah, the letter A is the best answer for number seven. Second part here, B. Choose the correct form of the word to fill in the blank. Number eight. My sister and my mother have very hairstyles. The letter A, similarly or similarly. Letter B, similar. Letter C, similarity. Yeah. The best answer is letter B. Similar, very similar hairstyles. Yeah, that's right. So the letter B is the best answer for number 8. Number 9. I can't the problem with my computer. Space. I can't space the problem with my computer. The letter A, detect. The letter B, detective. The letter C, detection. Yeah. The letter A, detect, is the best answer for number 9. Number 10. It is not a space to swim here. The speech is very safe. The letter A, danger. The letter B, dangerous. The letter C, dangerously. Yeah, the best answer here is letter B. Yeah, excellent. The letter B, dangerous. Yeah, is the best answer for number 10. It is not dangerous to swim here. The speech is very safe. Okay, yeah, that's right. Now I can say for everybody goodbye for now and many thanks for you. I hope to enjoy with my channel درسك اليوم in English with Mr. Mohamed Taha and an English instructor and translator. Goodbye for now and many thanks for you again.